Hi guys, welcome back to 375 Dance Studio. My name is Amanda and today we are going to be doing a beginner Rumba routine. Alrighty, so we are going to break it up into two separate pieces and then we will put it all together at the end. Okay, we start with our feet together, right foot prepared to dance. We step to the side, 4, hold 1. We do a time step together, together. 4, hold 1. Together, together, 4, hold 1. We go into a basic step. Forward, back and side, and back and forward side. From here we go into a New York, cross and side, cross and side, into a hand-to-hand, back and side, back and side. We go to a spot turn, step across the body, turn, forward walk and side. Again, across the body, turn, forward walk. And from here, we're not gonna step to the side, but we are going to collect our feet together. Let's do it with the counts. We have 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Okay guys, now the second part. We just collected our feet together, switch the weight onto the right foot on 4, 1, and now we're gonna do switch and switch and switch. We step back with the right foot, back and forward and forward. And forward walk, turning and back walk and collect and switch, forward walk and forward walk, turning and back walk. From here we are going to do a cucaracha and side, feet together and switch, side, feet together and switch. We're gonna do 2 slow weight changes. So slow, slow, and quick, quick, and step to the side, and that's the beginning. Okay, with counts. So we just finished. Weight on the right foot, 4, 1, we switch 2, switch 3, switch 4. 1, step back 2, step forward 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 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 3, 4. 1, 2 and 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Okay guys, now we are going to put the first part and the second part together with my counts. So, feet together, right foot prepares to dance. We have 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Alrighty guys, I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did find this video easy, we do have an intermediate and advanced solo routine that we made before, so you can go check that out. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.